Hello, I'm Sunflower the Fiber Fairy, also known as Ashley, and this is Sunflower's Creative Showcase and Crochet. I decided to start a YouTube channel because I have been part of this wonderful crochet and yarn community on YouTube for a couple of years now, and it's made me really crave to have more interaction and participate more. And so I found myself in a situation where several lovely people in the community encouraged me to just take the plunge, and so here I am, filming my very first video and talking to myself, and it feels very weird. I'm really hoping I'll get used to it because it's also kind of fun. It is my plan over the next few videos I post to show off some finished objects and some works in progress, and start doing things like yarn reviews, because I have a lot of yarn. Some of it I like and some of it I really don't. And I even have quite a bit of the yarn I really don't like, because when I see sales, I can't help it. I feel like I have to have all of the yarn in my cart. And I know that some of you also have that particular illness, so you'll understand. I also plan to start doing some live streaming. I am home almost every day except for medical appointments, so I will probably be doing, Maker Mondays or Finished Object Fridays. I think I would like to start Sew It In Saturdays, where you just sew in all of your ends, and I feel like that is something that should be social, so that you suffer together, because nobody likes sewing in ends. Friends don't let friends sew in ends alone. So that's definitely a plan, and I also intend to go on panels on other channels, so you'll definitely be able to catch me live other places and see what I'm working on. And I will definitely start hosting other people once I've gotten a little bit more comfortable live streaming. So that all sounds like a bunch of fun, and I really can't wait. Well, in proper YouTuber fashion, I thought I was done recording and I was editing when I noticed that the audio was horribly out of sync and I couldn't fix it. So here I am, take 50 billion. But that's okay. That's okay, because the next thing I was going to talk about was how excited I am to be participating in the Yarn Hookers Bust Your Stash 2022. And it's exactly what it sounds like. It's a stash buster challenge. You do it all year. You use as much yarn from your stash as you can. And if you want to keep your ball bands and track your yardage, or in photo vlog on Instagram, or institute more rules for yourself like I did, that's totally cool. So for my personal rules, I am not going to count any yarn purchased in 2022 towards this Stash Buster project. It truly has to be something using all of my old yarn first. So that's the goal, is first in, first out, and using what you have. The yarn hookers are Ginger at Yarn Geek, Mel at Hook to the Left, and Julie at Wippy Chick Crochet. and they are wonderful and sweet and talented and fun to watch, and I love them to death, all of them. They are just amazing. So if you need encouragement to use your stash and stick to it and stay focused, then Bust Your Stash 2022 is for you. So, with that said, I am going to finally edit this last bit and hopefully upload, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. Thank you for visiting Sunflower's Creative Showcase in Crochet. Please like and subscribe and turn your notification bell on so you can get notified every time I upload.